Welcome again in this video, my friends. In this video, we'll learn how to balance all those four skills which I have taught in the last video. But I'm sorry, friends, I could not make videos because I was ill. That's why I can't make videos. But regularly, I will make videos from today. And today, we'll learn how to balance those of the four skills, which are writing and obviously speaking, listening, and reading skills. Before we're gonna start, let me ask you a question: that how much we read, how much time we read, how much time we talk, how much time we speak, how much time we listen, and how much of time we write. Okay, write on the comment box. And most of my friends wants to know that how I balance those of my four skills. Most of friends, most of my students, and when I was English learner, of course, I had that questions how I will balance all those four skills. But today I will learn it very easily. And it is very simple, my friends. What is the importance of the balance of the four skills? Because if we don't know how will we balance this, if we don't know how will everyone balance this, then nobody will learn any language. Maybe that is Hindi, English, or Bengali, or French, Russian, any language. So we must know that how will we balance this. And so the answer of my question was that 40% of our time we listen, and 35% of our time we actually speak, and 16% of our time we read, and about 9% of our time is we write. Okay? And so the question was that how will we balance this? So the answer was very simple, because I learned by this, by doing this activity, or by going on this way. There is input-output method. There is input-output method. It's very simple. First, you have to input, and after that, you will get output. That is input. Like first, you have to read someone's letter, and then you have to write back as a writing skills to that person. And this is we're gonna learn two of our skills, that is writing skills and reading skills. And other than we can use that, first we can listen someone's when they ask questions and you can answer after that. That is, we got two skills, that is listening skills first, and second is our speaking skills. So now the question here is, this way will be good for everyone. But my friends, I'm telling you that this way is not for everyone. This is my way. You can, maybe it is not necessary for me, maybe not necessary for you. So what can you do? You can do just speak first, maybe you listen first, maybe you can write first, maybe you can read first. But now, so there is still a question that how will I balance? How will we balance that the listening skills, the speaking skills, and the reading skills, and the writing skills? So I have a lot of answers of all those four skills. That is, number one is listening skills. We can use customer care number, and we can talk with them in English. Okay, they will do not understand your little English, but you can understand their English. So you will learn a lot of words from them, a lot of pronunciations from them, a lot of things. Well, and then this is a good way, and we have a better way, that is we everyone of course we all have smartphones. In this smartphone we can we every day we watched every day I think we watch a lot of videos, because we got everyday data 1 GB, so we watch a lot of videos, movies, maybe anything, entertainment. So if we on the subtitles on English language, then you will understand what the translation of that your Hindi videos and in English, and you will learn a lot of words, you will learn a lot of structures, you will learn a lot of pronunciations, you will learn a lot of abbreviations, and you will learn of course a lot of phrase and idioms. Those are most important micro micro skills in our English language. So I'm sorry friends, I have not told the four many micro skills, that is grammar is in micro skills, and pronunciation of course it is micro skills, and obviously our handwriting is our micro skills, a lot of skills. So now the question is here that yeah, of course we can watch videos by on that subtitles in English, but here is the one question that how we will listen someone. But as a data I have that every person in the world listen their 60% actually listen. In the 100%, actually 60% of people listens smartly. 40% of people so where they don't want to understand, and they make some excuses to understand our in front of our someone's. And so here the question still here, that is how we'll balance that listening skills. So my friends, we of course I use this way, that is if we silent for 3 minutes, if we silent for 3 minutes and listen what the all voices or what the all sounds came to you from other persons. Maybe like here now you can listen that I have here I have my sound, and there is the buses sound, and maybe you can listen the watch sound. So here three types of sound here is, but you have to, if you want to increase your listening capacity, then you have to first that you have to silent for 3 minutes and listen and watch your mind that how many sounds came to you. This is a very useful and very beneficial. I use a lot of this way, of course. And then the most important skills came here, that is speaking skills. Speaking skills is it's very necessary in this nowadays, of course, nowadays in this 2020 it's very important here. So speaking skills, maybe you can use my ways. Like number one is that is you have to speak in front of your mobile cameras, and you have to record it, and then you have, and then after that you watch that what you have spoken, and where you have to correct, and where you have to where you did wrong, and you have to correct where. So you can use this way, and most of the things you can tell in English in front of your mirror, when there will be no one. You can use this way, and after that you can use that first you have to written what you have done in the whole day in a copy, and then you have to speak fluently. otherwise there will be no one. Okay, and these are the many. These are a lot of ways to increase our speaking skills. If you want to learn more how will I balance the writing skills and the reading skills and more about the speaking skills, please write on the comment box and like that video and share of course. Okay, bye my friends.